Delair India, a Power Group company, specializes in designing, engineering and manufacturing of compressed air dryers, refrigeration type and desiccant type. It is best to ensure that compressed air is dry and clean before it is used for any pneumatic application. Moisture is always present in the compressed air along with dust particles, oil and solid contaminants, which can adversely affect air quality. The only positive means of moisture removal is the installation of compressed air dryer. Refrigeration dryer are suitable where application require pressure dew point up to 3 degrees Celsius. The main components of a refrigeration dryer are proprietary air-to-air heat exchanger and air-to-refrigerant heat exchanger. Delair also does variety of advanced heat exchangers. Water separator, compressor, unique volume liquid accumulator with high pressure line, liquid receiver, condenser, expansion device, Dell Smart Card for controlling system and displaying parameters and faults. Delair refrigeration type dryer operates on the method of cooling the air to near freezing point to remove the moisture. The refrigeration dryer consists of two circuits: refrigeration circuit and compressed air circuit. In refrigeration circuit, the compressor pumps refrigerant gas into the volume liquid accumulator, where this hot refrigerant gas transfers its heat to cold refrigerant, which is coming in liquid form from air to refrigerant heat exchanger. This high pressure and high temperature refrigerant goes into a condenser, which can be either air-cooled or water-cooled. Condenser transfers the heat from the refrigerant gas to the ambient air or cooling water as the gas condenses into a liquid, which is collected into a liquid receiver. Then it travels through filter where impurities are absorbed. The liquid gas then passes through an expansion valve, which reduces the pressure of liquid gas, which leads to reduction in its temperature down to 0 degrees Celsius. This enters into the air to refrigerant heat exchanger, and the heat from the hot compressed air is absorbed by the cold refrigerant. This refrigerant is sucked by the compressor and the cycle starts over again. In compressed air circuit, the hot compressed air from external air compressor enters into air-to-air heat exchanger, where its temperature is reduced by the outgoing cool dry air. The air then enters into air-to-refrigerant heat exchanger, where the air is cooled to 3 degrees Celsius by the liquid refrigerant. This process causes the moisture to condense into liquid water. The cool air along with water droplets enter into moisture separator, where the water is separated from compressed air and drained through the auto drain valve. The cool dry air then enters into air-to-air heat exchanger and is warmed up by the incoming hot air up to the temperature. The outgoing air has achieved 3 degrees Celsius point and is now dry. And can be used for designed applications in various industries like food, pharma, automobile, power, cement, steel, PET and plastic and dozens of other industries. No wonder when Delair is largest in terms of number of units sold, customer base, sales and service network and capacity of single unit. Delair India, the compressed air treatment system company.